Let's do this. Let's pack to go on vacation using Vacbird's new vacuum bags. These were gifted to me so I can show you how they work. And we're going to show you the before and afters of how we put all of our clothes in here to stuff them in our suitcase because we are an overpacking family who can't seem to leave without everything in our house. I don't know why. I hope some of you are better than we are, but we need help. So that's why we're going to use Vacbird to help us because we can't seem to leave anything behind. What I love about Vacbird, they're just like the ultimate. They just know everything about vacuum bags. They have multiple lines, which I'm going to compare and do some other videos about some of their different lines. But there's a small, there's a medium size, and there's a large size. And what's really cool about these ones is it tells you like what it's actually designed for. Like this small one is designed for a 20-inch suitcase. The medium one is designed for a 24-inch suitcase. And then your large one is designed for a 28-inch suitcase, which is like, who thought of that? Like, thank you, Vacbird, you're so intelligent. And then even better is this little suction thing here. You can charge it with a USB port, and it's so convenient. You just put it in your suitcase. Here's the suction, and it's just good to go right there. It's tiny, so you don't have to like get out your vacuum and vacuum it all up. It fits perfectly right on the little spouts right here. You take the lid off and we'll show you. But anyways, this is just my intro. Let's look at some of the things I'm packing. All of these clothes, yeah, we're going to try and cram them into a suitcase. So you're going to come with me. So let's go check it out. So like we talked about before, this is the stack of clothing. This is just my daughter's clothes. That just tells you we love to pack clothing. So what I do is I've rolled them. You can see I've rolled them all individually, and the Vacbird has said to roll them, and so you have less of a chance of wrinkles. And then you're going to take the clips. They offer so many clips with the bags. So if you lose them, don't worry. And you have to go back and forth a few times. Do not use your fingers. Use the clips. It's way easier. If you don't use the clips, you're not going to ensure. I wanted to show you, like, even after going through with the clips, I ran my finger along to feel, and the clips get it all. So don't waste your time with your fingers. You're going to unscrew the cap, and you're going to line it up just perfectly and turn it on, and then it's going to suction and vacuum all of the air out. And you'll see in this time lapse here as it just slowly, carefully just takes out all of the air. I love the different sizes. I wasn't a big fan of these until I packed all of my clothing with these bags. And I noticed that I was able to pack just so much more. I even kind of rolled it a little bit to get some of the extra air out as well. And that seemed to have really helped as well. So just a little pro tip there. Once it's done, you can see how much it's just like shrank into this tiny clothing brick and able to save so much space. And I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it in my suitcase. And so you can see exactly how it looks. This is flipped over, so you can see all of the air has been compressed out of everything. You can still see on the other side too. So, you know, it's not like it's super privacy. It's just privacy on the one side. And then if you flip it over, you can see the clothes on the other. So on your trip, you're able to see. So this is a larger suitcase, 28. And then you're going to see there's a lot of extra space down there at the bottom of the suitcase. So you could fit that with way more stuff. I'm going to actually take everything out of the bag and put it in the suitcase. And so you can see what's in the suitcase as well if it were the opposite. So those are all the clothes just sitting in the suitcase. So way more organized, way more detailed, and saves you so much time. And then here is just another view of what comes in the package. So you've got the small 20, the medium 24-inch suitcase, and then the 28-inch suitcases, the large size. It comes with a ton of the yellow clips, the suction, the vacuum device, and you can charge it USB as well, which is so nice. From this point on, I will be using Vacbird as my trip organizer, and I hope you will too.